Hello and welcome back to Scorpio Tech. In this video we're going to take a look at the Enacfire E90 wireless earbuds. These earbuds are priced at $40 or £34.99 and as of right now you can save an additional $10 or pounds via a coupon on Amazon, but let's take a look and see what you get for your money. The earbuds are simply packaged and the box displays some of the key features such as premium audio, dual microphones, ergonomic design, 8-hour battery life on a single charge and 48 when used in conjunction with the charging case, as well as touch control, Bluetooth 5.0 and an IPX8 waterproof rating. After opening the inner orange packaging, we are immediately greeted with a 2-year warranty extension card as well as the product instructions which outline the pairing process as well as the touch control commands which I will cover later on in this video. Displayed nicely underneath we have the two earbuds at the top of the box with the charging case in the centre and the USB charging cable at the bottom. The charging case is very light and feels quite cheaply made with its glossy white plastic, but this isn't really an issue. There is a USB Type-C connection on the bottom of the case with LED indicators on the front and a magnetic top portion which is very similar to those on the AirPod cases, and overall it does the job perfectly fine. Buried at the top of the case we have both earbuds, and as you can see they've got quite a similar shape to the AirPod Pros with their stubby stem, but in contrast to the cheap feeling case, these earbuds actually feel quite nice and robust. And as mentioned a minute ago, there is a USB box at the bottom which contains a very short USB Type A to USB Type-C charging cable to ensure that your charging case is always topped up. In addition to this though, a nice inclusion was a variety of ear tip sizes to suit the user. They're very easy to change without causing any damage to them, which is really good to know. So in regards to the sound quality, they are marketed as bassy, and from my experience so far I would definitely have to agree. And whilst for bassy music these sound fantastic, the quieter moments in YouTube videos and whilst Netflix binging, it does kind of sound a little bit more muffled. However, for the price, these things sound absolutely amazing and it really did catch me by surprise. Now let's have a quick listen to the dual microphones that are built into these earbuds. So this is the microphone quality of the Enacfire E90 earbuds. Although it sounds pretty average, for general calls I think it's quite adequate, and when you remember that the price tag is only £35, it's actually quite impressive. Connecting the earbuds to my phone was thankfully extremely easy. With the help of Bluetooth 5.0 they have a very stable connection and I've experienced no issues to date. As the instructions clearly show, simply remove the earbuds from the charging case and they will automatically be discoverable via the Bluetooth settings on your device. If you don't have the charging case with you, you can simply turn the earbuds on by holding over the touch sensor until the LED indicator flashes blue and white to signify that the pairing process is underway. Additionally, you can use the touch controls to play, pause or answer calls by tapping once, you can double tap to skip the current song, triple tap to activate Siri or equivalent, and you can tap 4 times to enter game mode, but I can't find any information on what game mode is. You can also press and hold the left side to turn the volume down, or press and hold the right side to turn the volume up. I find these earbuds to be comfortable to wear for extended periods of time thanks to their ergonomic design and lightweight frame. I can quite easily recommend these earbuds if you're looking for something comfortable with great features and a small price tag. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, please feel free to join the Discord server to chat with tech lovers all around the world, and consider subscribing if you enjoyed this content. I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye bye.